Refined sugar and the products containing it have the effect of stealing oxygen from the brain because nutrients and energy are needed in large quantities to process this drug-like material. Sugar overworks the adrenal glands, which promotes allergies, mood swings, ADD, and sleep and hormone disturbances. Sugar causes cellular waste to congest in the soft tissues, and this requires large amounts of water to flush it out and a lot of antioxidants to repair what those free radicals have just done. White sugar would need to filter through 4 pancreases to be processed properly. The problem is we only have 1 pancreas. Replace sugar with pure stevia, which nourishes the pancreas, or raw organic honey, which makes deposits into your vitamin and mineral bank instead of leaching them out. I'm Ann Schechter, and this is the Wellness Minute.